GIFT Nifty is trading cautiously in early action. The positive takeaway is that despite volatility and wild swings, Nifty is managing to trade above the dotted lines. The positive catalyst, the street is anticipating that the Federal Reserve is likely to lower interest rates by a quarter percentage point at its 17th September FOMC meet, and most importantly, the rate cuts likely to in each of this year's 3 remaining meetings. Why Fed rate cuts are likely? The latest US employment snapshot released on Friday painted an ugly picture of the current state of the US economy. The number of jobs added in August came in more than 70% below economists' expectations, and the unemployment rate hit its highest level since 2021. The street will position for a 50 basis points rate cut move, and much will depend on this week's inflation outcomes. So, focus shall shift towards the US Producer Price Index is due Wednesday, followed by the Consumer Price Index on Thursday, 11th September. Bottom line, the street, especially the bulls camp, will battle with upcoming PPI and CPI data, with intensifying calls for immediate and possibly bigger Fed rate cuts from the Federal Reserve. Our call of the day suggests bulls are likely to be dominant as long as Nifty is trading well above its crucial support at 24,337 mark. Also note, the bulls are likely to be everywhere if Nifty moves above its biggest hurdles at 25,155 mark. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Tuesday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 2,051 crores, while DII2 net buyers to the tune of Rs 83 crores. Bullish sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest some serious rebound play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 10.68 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, slipped near 88.33. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.12 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 0.92. Nifty outlook, Nifty risk-on theme is likely to prevail. We suspect robust rally ahead. Nifty's biggest support still seen at 24,336 mark, low as on 8 August 2025. Nifty, CMP to 4869. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 24,679 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 25,000 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,800 and 25,000. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 81101. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 80,300 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 81,500 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 80,700 and 81700. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 54216. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 53,561 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 54,700 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,700 and 55100. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. In yesterday's trade, Nifty, plus 0.39%, ended firmly higher as the benchmark consolidated its hard-fought intraday gains. Despite the firm trend for benchmark Nifty, the two biggest headwinds remain at the back burner. 1. Persisting tariff-related uncertainties. 2. Relentless foreign capital outflow. Our call of the day suggests a quieter but powerful bullish consolidation could be the preferred theme. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Infosys was the star outperformer of Tuesday's trade, up 4.85% after the company announced that its board will meet on Thursday, 11 September 2025, to consider a proposal for buyback of fully paid-up equity shares of the company. 2. Housing and Urban Development Corporation, HUDCO, minus 0.60%, was seen consolidating after reports that the company has entered into a non-binding Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, with the Nagpur Metropolitan Region Development Authority, NMRDA, to extend financial assistance of up to 11,300 crore rupees over a period of 5 years. 3. Strides Pharma Science, minus 0.72%, was seen consolidating after the company has announced a strategic product development partnership with US-based Kinox Pharmaceuticals to expand its portfolio of nasal spray products targeted at the United States market. 4. Morpin Laboratories, plus 4.91%, gained after the company's wholly-owned subsidiary, Morpin Medipat, has signed a joint venture agreement with UAE-based Biomedical FZE to establish a new joint venture company.